Hello everyone. Today, for those of you who are beginners on Binance, I will explain the sign-up method, KYC verification, and security settings in a really easy way. Then let's get started. First, I will show you how to create a Binance account. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. And after installing it, open the app. Tap the Sign Up button to create an account. Enter your email or mobile number to create your account. After agreeing to the terms below, please tap Continue. When a verification code is sent to the email or mobile number you entered, enter the verification code that was sent. Next, please create a password. The password must include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and be at least 8 characters long. Then, an inviter registration screen will appear. Here, please make sure to press the Yes button. Then the Referral ID input field will appear. For the Referral ID, please enter BB333. Then you can receive a 20% Binance fee discount, and various bonus benefits. Please make sure to enter the code before signing up. Next, I will show you how to complete KYC verification. You must complete KYC verification in order to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance. First, please select your nationality. Then, select the ID you will use for verification. There are various document types below, so please select one ID that you have. Today, we will proceed with a passport. Now, please prepare your ID and tap Take Pictures. Align the information page of your passport within the camera frame, and take a photo. Next, please complete the facial verification. Align your face within the camera screen, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Then the KYC verification process will be completed. The KYC review usually takes about 1 hour. And shortly after, the KYC verification will be successfully completed. Lastly, I will show you how to set up two-factor security. Please return to the Binance home screen, tap the Binance icon in the top left. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right. Tap Security. We will set up two-factor security using an Authenticator app. Tap Enable. After completing email or mobile verification, the Authenticator setup screen will appear. Here, you can see Binance's 16-digit key. Please copy this 16-digit key and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. After installation is complete, open the app. Tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select the Enter a Setup Key menu. For code name, enter Binance. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Binance app. Tap the Add button below. Then, a 6-digit code will be generated in the Google Authenticator app, under the name Binance. Please copy this 6-digit code. Then return to the Binance app and tap Next. Then, in the Authenticator app code input field, paste the 6-digit code. Then Google Authenticator will be activated, and the two-factor security setup will be completed. Today, for those of you who are beginners on Binance, I showed you the sign-up method, KYC verification, and security settings in a really easy way. If you have any difficulties or questions while signing up, please leave a comment and I will reply quickly. If this video was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching until the end.